Imagine that fucking response, just like
Asher.
Thomas whispers in your ear. E.
Y'all motherfuckers too scared to say in your girl's ear. E. Jesus Christ. That wheeze. God damn. That mean inhaler?
That was the strongest one I had, Jesus Christ.
I could tell. I haven't heard you wheeze like that at all. Like, what the fuck? Thomas, get your inhaler. Come on. Fucking
Jesus
breathe.
Jesus Christ. That moment will go down in fucking history.